Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris here at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Today's video is going to be for those that just purchased their awesome 2021 Honda Civic LX. I'm going to show you how to customize your vehicle settings. Any questions, drop them down below in the comments. And don't forget to check out my walk-around video from that point too as well. Gets a little more in depth about that particular car, all right? So let's go customize your vehicle settings. All right, so here we are. We got the vehicle turned on right now. From that point, I don't have a tripod, so if the camera's kind of shaking a little bit, I do apologize in advance, guys. I'm sorry. Just know where to put it right now. All right, so anyways, with that being said, you're over here, you get your little D-pad, you get your buttons over here to navigate through your driver's interface, all right? So we're gonna select this button here, right? Changes up your driver's interface. We're gonna go past that, go to the gear. That's gonna be your settings menu, okay? Gonna select vehicle settings. So here we go. We're going to start customizing your settings now. But now you're going to have an indirect tire pressure monitoring system. All right. So your tire pressure monitoring system calibration. If you ever get that little light that comes on, your tires are where they need to be at. So you filled them up from that point. You're just going to hit the enter button, right? It highlights blue. And then you hit calibrate and it resets your tire pressure system from that point. So there we go. We're going to scroll down now to your driver's assist system setup. This is for all of your Honda sensing features from that point. You got your forward collision warning distance, all right? This is with your forward collision magnetic braking system. As you select that, you can change the distance on that when it's gonna warn you, okay? I would encourage you to refer to your owner's manual to know the exact distance. I don't have those memorized, but you have a couple options. You got short, you got normal, and then you got long from that point. We'll keep it on normal. Awesome, it is selected. Backs right back out for you. Now you have your ACC, that's your adaptive cruise control forward vehicle detection beep. All right, so now with your adaptive cruise control, when it's on, once again you can see when your Honda sensing is available by the green writing up there, right? If not, just like I just did, just hit that main button. It's going to display right up there. So with your adaptive cruise control, so this button right here, we're setting the distance between you and the car in front of you. All right, more lines means further, less lines means closer from that point. And once it finds a car, just like this button right here, right, it's going to give you a visual. It's going to have a white car above there. Now this is simply asking, do you want that beep? Hey, I found a car, beep, beeps at you, okay? We're gonna select that. Right now it's off. Why not turn it on? There we go. So now I know why I'm going from 45 to that 35 or that 30, whatever, okay? Because we found a car. Right down here, you got your road departure. Part of your lane keep assist. You can change how sensitive this is gonna be. Normal, wide, warning only. Excuse me, warning only from that point. So now you set from that point. We'll keep it on normal. I like it to bring me back. I don't want it to warn me. I want it to bring it back and recenter me, okay? Go right down. This is your lane keep assist. Beep. Sure, when I go out of my lane a little bit, let's have a beep at me to let me know. Gotta adjust the climate there quick. All right, so we got that all adjusted. Well, done. Driver's assist system setup, we just finished that. We go to the meter setup. You got language. I'm not gonna mess with this, but this is where you can change that language from that point. You can adjust your outside thermostat if you want, the temperature gauge. You can do it within 5 degrees swing from that point, you know, increase or decrease it. I'm gonna leave that alone, so I'm just gonna hit the back button from there. So you got your trip A and trip B. You can choose when you want this to reset. You can do it manually, when the engine shuts off, when you refuel, and those are your options right there. All right? No right or wrong answer. It's totally up to you. It's whatever you prefer. And then trip B is going to be the exact same thing. All right? You got your alarm volume. So your car alarm. Fuel efficiency backlight. So pretty much you see these white lights right up here, right? They go from white to green and the green to white. Pretty much it gives you a visual when you're being fuel efficient, hence the green. When you're not, it's going to be the white. So right now we're idle, so of course we're not being fuel efficient. But if for some reason in God's green earth you want to shut that off, hey, you can. All right, I'm going to keep it on. It's a nice little visual thing for me. I like to, you know, be aware of my driving habits. So we're going to keep it on. Speed and distance, if you need to change it from miles per an hour, you can. We'll keep it as that, so we're gonna hit the exit button. Your tachometer, I have it on, but let's say if you want it kind of cleaned up a little bit, you want to shut it off, you can, and then there we go. We'll turn that right back on. Now we have lighting setups. Interior light dimming time. I just got out of the car, it's off. When do I want the lights to shut off in here? 30 seconds is good. Gives me plenty of time to get my stuff and get it, get out of the car. Headlights, maybe I want to adjust this because, I'm living out there, away from the city, kind of out, outside of city limits, or it's a really dark area, got a little walking to do to get to my house. Maybe I'll change it to 30 seconds, for the headlights to come off. Maybe you park in the garage, maybe 15 seconds is fine. So whatever you guys want to do from that point, you can go all the way up to 60 seconds, all right? The light sensitivity, the auto lights, when they come on between day and nighttime, we'll keep it at medium. But once again, you got a couple options. All right, auto interior illumination sensitivity, we'll keep it on medium. So when your wipers are on because it's raining, let's get headlights to turn on. Why not? You can turn that on or off. Yep, we'll keep that on. Okay, that's an exit. You got your doors set up. All right, so you got your auto door lock. Right, we just got in the car, but I go show it off to your friends, family, maybe take someone out to eat, to celebrate. When do you want the doors to lock? All right, with speed. When you shift from park, all right, like go to reverse, drive, boom, locks just like that. Or have that off and just when you simply hit the button, all right? Comes down to your preference from that point. I'm gonna keep it with speed for me. Maybe if I got kids in the back, maybe I'll shift it to, when I shift from park, it automatically locks from that point. Now you're unlocked, all right? We just got, done doing what we're doing, going home, and making our stop to run some errands. When do you want the door to unlock, all right? When the driver's side door opens, when you shift to park, or when you shut off the car, the door's automatically unlocked. Or have that off, you can simply hit the unlock button from there. Since it's just me in the car, I'm gonna keep it as this one. So I can shut off the car, I can have it in park, works out great for me. I'm not making multiple stops, Key and remote. So you have the key fob, right? You hit unlock or lock, all that good stuff. Right now we're just gonna be hitting the unlock button. When you hit unlock, do you want the driver's side door only to unlock or do you want all doors to unlock? Okay, that's what I was asking. I'm gonna keep it as driver's side because if I hit unlock twice, all doors unlock from that point, all right? So when I hit the lock button, do I wanna answer back to me, get a little beep? Yeah, just in case, why not? Security timer, I hit unlock my key fob, right? Or my key, and then X amount of time, no one opens up a door in that X amount of time, guess what? It locks all the doors again, okay? So you got 60 seconds, 30 seconds, and 90, all right? Usually I get pretty close to the car at that time. I think 30 is fine with me. I see a lot of customers keep around between that 30 to that 60 seconds. It's, once again, it's up to you. What do you want to do and how it makes you feel comfortable with it, all right? Then you got your maintenance. This is pretty much like your oil changes, any kind of other services that are going to be due from that point. So yeah, that's your vehicle settings, guys. Hey guys, thank you again for watching my video. Hopefully this video is very helpful for you to customize your vehicle settings from that point. If you guys have any questions or like to share your experience on how you put your Honda Civic to the test, drop it down below in the comments, all right? I'll do my best to get back to you guys to answer those questions as I can from there. Once again, if you guys found this video helpful, you know what to do. Show your support by hitting the like, subscribe, and share with a friend from that point that just purchased their awesome 2021 Honda Civic, all right? All right, thanks again, guys. This is Crazy Honda Chris. We'll stay in touch.